Hey guys, welcome to a new video of Campus Placement. In today's video, I'm going to tell you about the Microsoft Off-Campus Drive 2020. Microsoft Corporation is an American multinational technology company with headquarters in Redmond and Washington. It develops, manufactures, licenses, supports, and sells computer software, consumer electronics, personal computers, and related services. Its best known software products are the Microsoft Windows line of operating systems, the Microsoft Office, and Internet Explorer and Edge web browsers. Its flagship hardware products are the Xbox video game consoles and Microsoft Surface lineup of touchscreen personal computers. In 2016, it was the world's largest software market by revenue. The word Microsoft is a portmanteau of microcomputers and software. So this was all about the Microsoft company. Now let us look at the campus drive. So the campus drive details are: the job profile is of software engineer. The degree needed is BE, BTech, ME or MTech. Experience is of 0 to 4 years of experience. That is, a fresher can also apply, and a person with 1 year, 2 year, 3 year or 4 year of experience can also apply. Now let us see in detail about the eligibility criteria. So the qualifications required are, as I mentioned earlier, you must have a degree as if B, BTech, ME or MTech. You must be knowing C programming. You must have knowledge in C hash, object oriented, Python and other scripting languages. You must be skilled in the user model multi-threaded programming. You must have knowledge of the user kernel mode interfaces. You must have a good communication skill for understanding the word features and for describing the findings. Now let us see more detail about the job description. So the detailed job description is this is taken from their site. So I have just copied all the information. I will just read it once. We are seeking a motivated software engineer who is passionate about working in cloud scale distributed systems spanning hundreds of thousands of nodes. The candidate will work on building and maintaining the cloud services or software stack that monitor and manage the cloud hardware, monitoring health of the cloud, taking smart actions on hardware health events, and improving overall cloud hardware availability and performance. Towards this, the candidate would work on both Windows based and Linux based device software stack and knowledge of native and managed code with object oriented programming, which include C hash and Python, will be relevant. The candidate will leverage of open source community and contribute back to the community with useful additions. So in short, cloud based job is there, so everything will be on. You must be knowing about the cloud. So as I mentioned in the job description, everything is related to cloud. So I think you must have knowledge about cloud before applying, because they will be asking questions on cloud. And also, as I mentioned in earlier video, I have started a new channel. There you can find the information about cloud, AWS, and also I would be uploading about Microsoft Azure too. Now let us look at the responsibilities. Develop or manage Windows based service stack C hash, develop or manage Linux application stack, develop automation tools. So these are some benefits and perks that Microsoft has mentioned. First is the industry leading healthcare, savings and investments, giving programs, educational resources, maternity and paternity leave, opportunities to network and connect, discounts on products and services of Microsoft. Well, it is a very nice benefit. So thank you guys for watching the video. This was all about the Microsoft Recruitment Drive 2020. Please do subscribe the channel. Also press the bell icon so that you get the notification as soon as we post a new video. And thank you for watching the video.